keep
Get off
playing
my
me.
front porch.
I know you got me in that life and
Get off my front
and you
porch.
playing.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hello, hello. Hey, mira, ladrón, me están robando. Oh, shoot. Yeah.
Check this guy out. Looks like he just got beat up.
Hey, I'm sorry, man. I was broke down. I just need a little help. Is there anyone around? Hey, I'll walk away, man. It's fine. Dude, I just broke down. I really needed some help, and if you guys are not around, that's cool, man. That's cool. Let's go.
Call a mechanic, man. I'm pretty sure no one in that house knows how to fix a car. Try to be careful with what you leave visible in your yard. It could attract thieves and porch pirates. Also, if you want to be brave and chase down porch pirates, I recommend you bring something with you, just like this guy.
Yo, dog, I'm gonna tell you right now, get the fuck away from my house. Get the fuck away from it.
Don't forget to grab those packages ASAP or try to redirect them somewhere else.
My package is back. I know somebody did not just go in front of my door and take my packages.
Not sure why this guy would open this man's door. All it takes is a knock.
Hey, you just hit my doorknob?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. What's up, man?
It is not. No,
What's
no.
going on?
Your door was just a little bit open already, but I would.
This is a great example of ungrateful family members who are not happy with where they are in life.
Hello?
Hey, mom, what Uncle Raymond talking about some, you wanted me to come back down here for what?
What?
What Uncle Raymond talking about some, you wanted me to come back down here for what?
I don't know what Raymond talking about there.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got nowhere to go down here, and I'm stuck down here, so one of y'all trying to give me a ride or something down here?
Dara,
Or leave it
we told you to stay at Marlena's house. You didn't want to do that.
Damn, Marlena, I'm grown, what you mean? I'm trying to go, I'm trying to get the fuck from
Okay,
around
well,
here.
bye, Dara. Bye.
I'm saying though, what was your point of telling me to come back down here though?
We were trying to help you out,
Huh?
Dara. We were trying to help you
When I'm
by
living on
letting
the
you
fucking
stay at
street.
Marlena's house. Don't come to my house with all that.
By giving me something, man, I'm grown as fuck. I can find somewhere to
Okay,
stay.
so why you on my door?
You sound stupid.
Why you on my front
Man,
door?
why
No,
the
you
fuck?
sound
Why you got me down
Dara,
here?
get off my front porch.
Keep
Get
playing
off my
me.
front porch.
I know you got me in that life and
Get off my front
and you
porch.
playing. Why the kid keep playing me? Fuck wrong with you?
Get off my property.
What's the address? 9230 Citrus Street.
Get off my property.
I don't think you got it on.
Yes, it is. Put my stuff down and get off my property. Get off my property. Whatever you got it.
What is it, Shane? A Toyota?
Hey, can I help you?
Check this guy out. He comes onto this patio and steals the whole patio furniture, even the dog bowl. Imagine pulling into your neighborhood and seeing this guy walking down the street with your patio set.
Get off of my property right now before I call the police. They're on the way.
Right now.
Get off.
I'm so sorry.
What's your name? Get off my property, please.
I got you.
Check this man out. Either he's on something or he really needs some sandals. Check out Miss Rudeness. She comes through and destroys the plants. Like I said, some people are just not happy with themselves and don't like you with nice things. Don't forget about your other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations. Let's not forget to lock these bikes up or try to place them inside. Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, don't leave any valuables or personal information in your car. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's try to grab these packages ASAP, especially with Amazon changing their return policy. Won't be easy getting your money back or your product. Strange lady comes wandering around this door, leaves a real mess.
Hello?
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.